did Sony just bring back one of the most iconic compact cameras ever made? After 6 long years of silence, the legendary RX100 series is finally making headlines again. And this time the rumors appear far more credible than the endless speculation that has surrounded the lineup over the past few years. According to multiple industry leaks and Sony's reported 2026 product roadmap, the Sony RX100 VIII is back in development with meaningful upgrades that could restore its place as the king of premium compact cameras. Instead of delivering a minor refresh, Sony is reportedly preparing a camera that embraces modern imaging technology while preserving everything that made the RX100 lineup famous. That means a truly pocket-sized design combined with powerful photography features, advanced autofocus, improved video recording, and better overall performance. If the leaks are accurate, this could become one of the most exciting compact camera launches in years. The obvious question, though, is why Sony waited so long before revisiting the RX100 series. 6 years is a lifetime in consumer electronics. During that period, smartphone cameras became dramatically more capable, mirrorless cameras evolved into hybrid powerhouses, and content creators demanded more portable gear that could still deliver professional quality results. Sony likely understood that simply releasing another minor update would not be enough. Expectations have grown tremendously since the RX100 VII launched in 2019, and the company appears determined to return with a product that feels genuinely new rather than simply refreshed. That strategy makes sense because the RX100 name still carries enormous respect among photographers, travelers, vloggers, and enthusiasts who appreciate high-end performance in an incredibly compact body. Sony now has an opportunity to remind the industry why the RX100 series became an icon in the first place. The most exciting rumor centers on an all-new 1-inch stacked image sensor paired with Sony's latest generation image processor. While those specifications may sound technical, their real-world impact could be substantial. Faster sensor readout should improve overall responsiveness, reduce rolling shutter, increase burst shooting performance, and provide noticeably cleaner image quality in challenging lighting conditions. Reports also suggest the new sensor may deliver up to 2 stops of improved low-light performance compared to its predecessor. If that proves accurate, photographers would gain significantly better results during nighttime street photography, indoor events, concerts, restaurants, and travel situations where lighting is far from ideal. Better noise control, improved dynamic range, and enhanced color reproduction would allow users to capture scenes that previously required much larger cameras. Faster image processing could also reduce lag between shots, speed up buffer clearing, and improve overall responsiveness throughout the camera's interface. Autofocus is another area where Sony appears ready to push the RX100 VII forward. Sony has already established itself as an industry leader in autofocus technology across its Alpha camera lineup, and many of those innovations are expected to trickle down into this premium compact model. Artificial intelligence-powered subject recognition is rumored to play a major role, allowing the camera to identify humans, animals, birds, vehicles, and potentially even insects with greater precision than before. More importantly, the system should maintain focus more consistently during unpredictable movement. Whether you are photographing children running through a park, pets playing in the garden, fast-moving wildlife, sporting events, or spontaneous travel moments, dependable autofocus often determines whether you capture the perfect frame or miss it entirely. Sony appears focused on making the RX100 VII feel effortless rather than merely impressive on paper. Video performance has also become one of the most anticipated aspects of the upcoming camera, because the expectations of modern creators have changed dramatically over the last several years. The RX100 VII already offered respectable 4K recording, but today's content creators demand higher frame rates, improved stabilization, richer color profiles, and more flexible recording formats. Current leaks suggest Sony could introduce smoother slow-motion recording, enhanced electronic stabilization, improved color depth, and additional professional video options designed for creators who edit their footage extensively. If these reports prove accurate, the RX100 VIII could become one of the most capable travel and vlogging cameras ever produced. Its compact size would allow creators to carry it almost anywhere without sacrificing image quality, making it an ideal companion for travel documentaries, YouTube videos, cinematic B-roll, family vacations, and everyday storytelling. One of the biggest advantages of the RX100 series has always been its incredibly compact design, and thankfully Sony does not appear interested in changing that formula. Despite the expected hardware upgrades, the camera is rumored to retain nearly identical dimensions, allowing it to remain genuinely pocketable. That portability has always separated the RX100 from larger interchangeable lens cameras. Instead of requiring a dedicated camera bag, users can simply slip it into a jacket pocket, backpack, or small handbag while still enjoying premium image quality. Battery life is another area expected to receive attention. Although battery improvements rarely generate exciting headlines, longer shooting times make a meaningful difference during real-world use. Travelers, vloggers, and event photographers would all appreciate fewer battery changes and more uninterrupted shooting throughout the day. Naturally, pricing remains one of the biggest unanswered questions. The RX100 VII entered the market at a premium price that surprised many potential buyers, and today's camera market is even more competitive. If Sony positions the RX100 VII too aggressively, consumers may instead choose larger mirrorless cameras that offer interchangeable lenses and additional versatility. However, if Sony manages to strike the right balance between performance, portability, and pricing, the RX100 VII could easily dominate the premium compact camera category once again. Based on everything currently circulating through reliable industry sources, the RX100 VII appears to represent a genuine comeback rather than a routine update. Better sensor performance, smarter autofocus, stronger video capabilities, improved battery life, and the same pocket-friendly design combine to create an extremely promising package. Nothing has been officially confirmed yet, but the overall direction suggests Sony understands exactly what photographers and creators have been waiting for. After 6 years of silence, expectations could hardly be higher, and the only remaining question is whether Sony can fully deliver on the legendary reputation of the RX100 name. At the same time, Sony's flagship ambitions extend far beyond compact cameras. Rumors surrounding the Sony A1 III suggest the company is preparing another major leap forward for professionals who refuse to compromise between speed, resolution, and video performance. Instead of focusing on a single headline feature, the A1 III is expected to refine every aspect of the hybrid shooting experience. Leaks point toward an even faster stacked sensor, more advanced AI-powered autofocus, improved electronic viewfinder technology, refined ergonomics, longer recording reliability, enhanced heat management, and more flexible 8K recording capabilities. Rather than reinventing the Alpha lineup, Sony appears determined to remove the remaining limitations professionals encounter during demanding assignments. The A1 II already established itself as one of the most complete hybrid cameras available, but photographers continue requesting better battery endurance, faster workflows, and even more reliable autofocus behavior in complex scenes. Sony's challenge is finding the perfect balance between innovation and image quality, while competing against increasingly capable flagship cameras from Canon and Nikon. If the rumors prove accurate, the A1 III could become the closest thing yet to a true one-camera solution, giving photographers and filmmakers professional-level performance without forcing compromises between still photography and cinematic video production.